And of course, mga ka-Asenso, rounding out the standings are Mr. Burger Triple Patties and Sandy's Lavanderos with 1-4 standings each. With the first round of the first Mayor Samico Asenso Business Cup behind us, all eyes are now on the playoff. And as the teams prepare to face off in the next round, mga ka-Asenso, fans can expect even more exciting and unpredictable action on the next round. Mga ka-Asenso, who will come out on the top? Only time will tell. So watch our live at Asenso Sports Channel Facebook page and our YouTube channel, Asenso Sports Channel official, by using our hashtag First Mayor Samico Asenso Business Cup, hashtag Asenso Sports Channel. And of course, mga ka-Asenso, our first game this evening to be played by Sandy's Lavanderos versus Chiquis Triple J Monsters. Mga ka-Asenso, fasten your seatbelt because in a minute we will start our first game in a second round of First Mayor Samico Asenso Business Cup. I'm Ruby Gabrines, Asenso, Pagadian.
double header for tonight. First game between Sandy's Lavanderos and Chiqui's Triple J Monsters. Our starting five for Sandy's Lavanderos. Jersey number 2, Nathaniel Doña. Jersey number 26, Ricky Doña. Jersey number 1, John Mark Barcoma. Jersey number 26, William Magay. Jersey number 16, Martin Masaka. And our starting five for Chiqui's Triple J Monsters. Jersey number 8, Arniel Angong. Jersey number 11, Nino Macasling. Jersey number 16, Kirby Novilio. Jersey number 2, Ray Bolotaulo. Jersey number 25, Richard Ababol. Our officiating referees, Sir Arlo Calunan, Sir Robert Plata, Sir Albert Fuentes.
And good evening, no, maayong gabi mga ka-Asenso. Welcome sa tong first Mayor Samico Asenso Business Cup as we bring you our first game for tonight between Chiqui's Triple Monsters and Sandy's Lavanderos, mga ka-Asenso. We have just witnessed our opening tip-off. And mga ka-Asenso, no, mao din ay start sa to ang second round of eliminations, mga ka-Asenso. Siyempre, Chiqui's Triple J Monsters currently sitting at the first seed, mga ka-Asenso. And ang Sandy's Lavanderos is currently on the 6th seed. Ikaunom na posisyon ang Sandy's Lavanderos, mga ka-Asenso, no? Start sa tong second round robin, mga ka-Asenso. And ang bola na kay Arniel Angong. Missing the jumper. Rebound by Barcoma. And a turnover para sa Sandy's Lavanderos. Ball will go back to Chiqui's Triple J Monsters, mga ka-Asenso. Na bola ka na kay Ray Bolotaulo para sa low post. Pass to Macasling. Macasling nails the jumper. May kasama pang foul, mga ka-Asenso. Nino Macasling shooting the bonus throw, mga ka-Asenso, para sa Chiqui's Triple J Monsters. Nailing that bonus throw. Bola karon nasa Lavanderos, mga ka-Asenso. Now Nat Doña for 3, in and out. Rebound by Sir Ray Bolotaulo to Arniel Angong. Angong with a crossover and the 15-footer. Missing his second shot. And a second rebound for John Mark Barcoma. Bola na kay Nat Doña. Tantan Doña to Barcoma to Ricky Doña for 3. Kablam! Ricky Doña is in the building, mga ka-Asenso, no? Nailing that first 3-pointer of the game, mga ka-Asenso. Now, bola na kay Ababol. Pass to Kervin Ovilio. Ovilio answers back. No good, mga ka-Asenso. Rebound ni Tantan Doña. On the run. Pass to Ricky Doña. Bola na kay Anggong to Ababol. Ababol with the layup, mga ka-asenso. Atong oras, 7 minutes to be exact. Time remaining para sa first quarter na ito, mga ka-asenso. Atong score, 6-7 in favor of Monsters. Barcoma missing the jumper. Rebound, nakuha ni Arniel Anggong. Arniel Anggong. Pass to Ovilio. To Ababol, to Ray Bolotaulo. Ray Bolotaulo with the 8-footer, no good. Ababol with the offensive rebound and the putback, mga ka-asenso. Underneath the basket. Now, bola na kay Ricky Donya. Calling on the play para sa Sandys Lavanderos. Bola na kay Lasaka. Lasaka with a jumper. Basket is no good. Rebound by Makasling. Pass to Arniel Anggong. Arniel Anggong now on the run. Pass to Kervin Ovilio. Kervin Ovilio. At tinawagan ng traveling, mga ka-asenso, no? Ball will go back with Sandys Lavanderos. Ang bola na to na kay Tantan Donya to Ricky Donya. Ricky Donya to Barcoma. Barcoma right in the middle. Nails that jumper, mga ka-asenso, para sa Sandys Lavanderos. And now, may gabi sa tong 50 live feed viewers, no, mga ka-asenso. If ganahan mo nga madungog ug basahon nato ang inyong mga pa-shoutout, mga ka-asenso, no, all you have to do is share this live feed, mga ka-asenso, para namoy sharer badge. Pag namoy sharer badge, basahon nato ang inyong mga pa-shoutouts. And back to the ball game, Ray Bolotaulo nails that jumper, mga ka-asenso, no. Atong time remaining, 4 minutes and 56 seconds para sa tong first quarter. Sandy Lacerda missing that 3-point shot. Ball will go to Chiquis Triple J Monsters. Bola na kay Arniel Anggong para sa Monsters. Arniel Anggong to Kervin Ovilio. Kervin Ovilio to Ray Bolotaulo on the low post spin move. Missing the layup. And there's a foul against the Monsters. Ball will go with the Sandys Lavanderos, mga ka-asenso. Bola na kay Ricky Donya. Kick out to Tantan Donya for 3. No good. Rebound by Richard Ababol. And now the Monsters on the run at may tinawag na foul against Tantan Donya, mga ka-asenso. And may gabi, no, sa mga Pagadianon, sa mga ka-asenso, if ganahan mo witness sa atong live game, sa atong first Mayor Samico Asenso Business Cup, all you have to do is muanhi diri sa Pagadian City Gym. Located diri sa to ang Pagadian City Plaza Luz. Syempre, free admission ni siya. Wala mo'y bayarang entrance. All you have to do is muanhi diri. As long as na ibakanting bangko, makalingkod mo diri sa ato ang Pagadian City Gym, mga ka-asenso. And there's a foul called against Sandys Lavanderos. Ball possession sa Monsters. Ababol with a jumper. No good. And Makasling. Tinawagan ng foul, so Nino Makasling will go back to the free throw line, mga ka-asenso, no, para sa Monsters. And now Jomar Calago and William Magay will check in for the first time para sa Sandys Lavanderos tonight, mga ka-asenso, no, as Makasling shoots his first throw. First throw is basket, mga ka-asenso, para kay Makasling. Second throw, nailed both free throws para kay Makasling, mga ka-asenso, no? Nino Makasling nailing both free throws. Sa atong oras, 3 minutes and 54 seconds remaining sa atong first quarter. Ang bola na kay Barcoma. Barcoma driving, kick out to Ricky Doña for 3. Kablam! Ricky Doña with his second 3-pointer for our first quarter pa lamang, mga ka-asenso. Nanay duwa ka 3-pointers si Ricky Doña. So let's see what he can do for the rest of our game tonight, mga ka-asenso. Bola na kay Ababol. Ababol with the layup. Basket is good. Bola na kay Calago. Jomar Calago. Pass to Ricky Doña. Back to Calago. With 8 seconds on the shot clock. Calago with a crossover. Driving. But loses the handles. So, ang bola maadto sa Monsters, mga ka-asenso. Pass deflected. Ball will remain with Monsters. And natay pa shoutouts, no? Kay Hadi Ponyong, thank you for sharing. And iyang comment, oh, Idol Makasling. Means wang siya nang ring. Yes. And may tinawag na timeout si Coach Tamparong. First of the night. First timeout na Sandys Labanderos. Atong oras, 2 minutes and 38 seconds remaining para sa itong first quarter. Atong score, 11-17 in favor of Chiquis Triple J Monsters, mga ka-asenso. And sa itong mga ka-asenso karon nga walay gibuhat sa inyong panimalay, no? Kung hinay ng ulan, pwede na mo mularga. Padulong dire sa itong Pagadian City Gym. Daghan pa kayong bakante, mga ka-asenso. Still a lot of vacant seats you can avail for free, mga ka-asenso. As tonight we hold our double header. First game nato is Sandys Labanderos versus Chiquis Triple J Monsters. And ang atong second game, Biohua Fishers versus AJL 62 Laborers, mga ka-asenso. Now back in the ball game, ang bola na kay Calago. Pass to Ricky Doña for 3. Missing it. Offensive rebound by Calago and the putback is good. Now ang bola na kay Ray Bolotaulo para sa Monsters. To Anggong, Arniel Anggong. Pass to Makasling. Nino Makasling. Missing that jumper. Bola na kay Calago. Calago is on the run. Pass to Ricky Doña. Ricky Doña driving. And ball is stolen by Kervin Obilio. Now, an easy layup for Ray Bolotaulo para sa Monsters, mga ka-asenso, no? Atong oras, 1 minute and 38 seconds remaining para sa atong first quarter, mga ka-asenso. Ricky Doña with another 3-point attempt. No good, but there's a foul. So, Ricky Doña will go to the free throw line for 3 free throws, mga ka-asenso. And Gingoyon and Bertmar Silva is checking in for the first time tonight para sa Chiquis Triple J Monsters, mga ka-asenso, no? As Ricky Doña nails his first free throw. Second free throw, no good. Third free throw, no good. One out of 3 para kay Ricky Doña sa free throw, mga ka-asenso, no? Now ang bola na kay Bertmar Silva. To Johansen Gingoyon. Gingoyon with the jumper. Basket is no good, mga ka-asenso. Nagpapainit pa lamang, mga ka-asenso, no? Ball will go back to Sandys Labanderos. Now, Petros Suizo is checking in for the first time tonight para sa Monsters, mga ka-Asenso. Atong oras, 1 minute and 15 seconds remaining sa tong first quarter. Atong score, 14-19, still in favor of Triple J Monsters, mga ka-Asenso. Now, bola na kay Lacerda. Lacerda driving. Layup is blocked by Suizo, mga ka-Asenso. Ball will remain with Sandys Labanderos. Bola na kay Calago. Pass to Danion. And it's not good. Bola na kay Gingoyon. Gingoyon with another jumper. This time, Gingoyon. Johansson Gingoyon nails the jumper, mga ka-Asenso, with only 35 seconds remaining sa tong first quarter. Bola na kay Lacerda. To Calago. To Barcoma. To Danion for 3. No good. Now rebound ni Bertmar Silva with still 18 seconds on the clock. Now Silva to Ray Bulutaulo. Baseline jumper. Basket is good para kay Ray Bulutaulo, mga ka-Asenso, no? Now Calago with all and there's a foul call against Johansson Gingoyon, mga ka-Asenso. Ball will remain with Sandys Labanderos. And that was our first quarter, mga ka-Asenso, no? Atong score, 14-24 in favor of Chiquis Triple J Monsters, mga ka-Asenso. And maing gabi day diya sa ato ang 62 live feed viewers. Daghan kay salamat sa pagsuporta o sa pag-follow sa atong page Asenso Sports Channel, who brings you the live coverage of our first Mayor Samico Asenso Business Cup. For tonight's doubleheader, sa mga bago pa lang katanaw karon o gaabre silang mga cellphone karon, atong first game for tonight, Chiquis Triple J Monsters versus Sandys Labanderos, and later on sa ato ang second game, Biohua Fishers versus AJL 62 Laborers, mga ka-Asenso. So bakante pa kayo ng atong Pagadian City Gym. If you want to witness it live here, all you have to do is muanhi dire. Welcome kayo mo, mga Pagadianons, Sambusurians, mga ka-Asenso. Welcome kayo mo muanhi dire para mo witness sa tong live first Mayor Samico Asenso Business Cup. And now back in our ball game, start sa tong second quarter, mga ka-Asenso, no? Bola is with Sandys Labanderos. Lacerda for 3. No good. Ball will remain with Sandys Labanderos. Calago. Stolen by Bertmar Silva. Bertmar Silva on the transition. No good. Jed to Gingoyon. And there's a foul, mga ka-Asenso. Johansson Gingoyon will go to the free throw line. Gingoyon, first throw is good, mga ka-Asenso, no? Johansson Gingoyon shooting his second throw. And the basket is good, mga ka-Asenso, para kay Johansson Gingoyon. Now ang bola na Sandys Labanderos. Calago brings the ball to the floor to Danion. Leandro Danion. Pass to Lasaka. Lasaka turnaround. Turnaround jumper is good for Lasaka, mga ka-Asenso. Martin Lasaka Bola na kay Suizo. A bubble to Johansson Gingoyon for 3. No good. Rebound by Martin Lasaka. Now, J.R. Calago. Tool back to Lasaka. Lasaka with another short jumper, mga ka-Asenso, no? Ang atong oras, 8 minutes and 37 seconds sa to ang second quarter. Atong score, 18-26. Still in favor of Chiquis Triple J Monsters. Now, a bubble on the baseline. Rebound by Jasnes. Jasnes missing the layup, mga ka-Asenso. So, ang bola na sa Sandy's Labanderos. Pass to Lasaka on the low post. Kick out to Sandy. Tumagay. To Lasaka. To Danion. Danion for 3. Missing it. A rebound nakuha ni Gingoyon. Now on the run. Pass to Bertmar Silva. Silva puts down the transition layup, mga ka-Asenso. Now Sandy Lacerda for 3. And there's the foul, mga ka-Asenso, no? So Lacerda will go to the free throw line for 3 free throws, mga ka-Asenso. Melvin Alcos checks in for the first time tonight para sa Chiquis Triple J Monsters, mga ka-Asenso. Now Sandy nailing that second throw. Sandy missing the third, but offensive rebound by Lasaka. Missing the jumper. Rebound nakuha ni Suizo. Petro Suizo, pass to Bertmar Silva. Bertmar Silva down the lane. Kick out to Alcos. Alcos for 3. Kablam! Alcos nails his first 3-pointer for tonight. Now Calago, J.R. Calago to Silva. To Sandy. To Ricky Donya. To Danion. Danion nails that jumper, mga ka-Asenso. And nag-iinit ang mga kamay ng both teams natin, mga ka-Asenso, tonight, no? As we are witnessing a prolific shooting for the both teams, mga ka-Asenso. Now Alcos for another 3. Kablam! Back-to-back 3-point shot by Melvin Alcos, mga ka-Asenso. Now J.R. Calago with the jumper, but may foul na tinawag. Now Lowell Anggong will check in for the first time tonight para sa Triple J Monsters, mga ka-Asenso, no? Leandro Danion for the inbound. And there's a miscommunication. So Bertmar Silva for the easy layup. Nails it. Atong oras, 6 minutes and 17 seconds sa atong second quarter, mga ka-Asenso. Now Leandro Danion for 3. Can't make it. Bola nakuha ni Suizo. Petro Suizo. Pass to Silva. Back to Suizo. Petro Suizo to Ababol. To the cutting Anggong. Kick out to Suizo for 3. No good. Offensive rebound by Petro Suizo. Kick out to Alcos. Alcos for 3. Third 3-pointer para kay Melvin Alcos, mga ka-Asenso, no? Prolific shooting for Melvin Alcos tonight. Now Ricky Donya on the other hand, missing it. Now ang bola na kay Anggong, Lowell Anggong for the layup, mga ka-Asenso. Now the Neon. Ball stolen. Ball will remain with Sandys Lavanderos, mga ka-Asenso. And now Caburnay will check in for the first time para sa Triple J Monsters. And Barcoma is back in the ball game para sa Sandys Lavanderos. Now Tantan Donya on the drive. Missing the layup, but there's a foul, mga ka-Asenso, para kay Indino, Sam Spencer. Indino. Sam Indino. First throw is good, mga ka-Asenso. Second throw is good. Nailed both free throws, no? Ito si Sam Indino checking in for the first time para sa Sandys Lavanderos tonight, mga ka-Asenso. Now Alcos missing the three-point shot. Melvin Alcos driving. Kick out to Sir Caburnay. Caburnay for three. No good. Rebound kuha ni Barcoma to Tantan Donya. For the layup. Missing it. And the ball will go back to Triple J Monsters, mga ka-Asenso, no? With only 4 minutes and 26 seconds remaining sa ito ang second quarter. Bola na kay Alcos. To Caburnay. To Alcos. Back to Bert Marsilva. Bert Marsilva with the crossover. Kick out to Caburnay. Baseline jumper. And it's good, mga ka-Asenso, no? Now, bola na kay Indino. Pass to Tantan Donya. To Lasaka. Lasaka, baseline move, turn around. Ball stolen. Bert Marsilva on the run. Pass to Melvin Alcos to Silva. But can't handle the ball, so ang bola muadto balik sa Sandys Lavanderos, mga ka-Asenso. Now, Ricky Donya with another three-point shot. Mga ka-Asenso. And there's a timeout na tinawag si Coach Pescador, mga ka-Asenso, no, para sa Triple J Monsters. Ang ating score, 27-43 in favor of Chiquis Triple J Monsters. And ang ating oras, 3 minutes and 30 seconds remaining para sa tong second quarter. And maing gabi din, we would like to send our shoutouts kay Ma'am Rose Nadella Bolutaulo sa Chiquis Pizza. Daghan kayong salamat sa inyong gipakaon, gipanghatag at pizza kagabi, Madam, no? Daghan kayong salamat. And of course, also to Sir Ray Bolutaulo. Shoutouts, Chiquis Pizza. Lami nga pizza diri sa Pagadian City, mga ka-Asenso. Adto lang mo sa Chiquis Pizza. Now back to the ball game. Ang bola na kay Bert Marsilva. Pass to Caburnay. The ball will remain with the Monsters, mga ka-Asenso. Bola na kay Bert Marsilva. Bert Marsilva with the jumper. No good. And ang bola na kay Tantan Donya para sa Sandys Lavanderos. To Lasaka. Martin Lasaka with a fade away. Atong oras, 2 minutes and 50 seconds remaining sa tong second quarter mga ka-Asenso. Bola karon na kay Bertmar Silva to Caburnay. Caburnay missing the layup. Nakuha ni Barcoma. Barcoma on the run and the layup is counted mga ka-Asenso para kay John Mark Barcoma. Na Bertmar Silva, and there's an offensive foul called against Lowell Anggong. And Ray Bolotalo checks back in for the Chiquis Triple J Monsters mga ka-Asenso. Tantandonia slicing. Pass to Lasaka. Lasaka uses the glass. No good. Rebound by Indino. Stolen by Petro Suizo mga ka-Asenso. Bola na kay Alcos to Silva. Now Bertmar Silva to Suizo on the low post. Underneath the basket and the basket is good. Mga ka-Asenso para kay Petro Suizo. Tantandonia to Ricky Donya for 3. And another 3-point shot para kay Ricky Donya mga ka-Asenso. 4 3-pointers. Upat ka 3-pointers para kay Ricky Donya para sa Sandys Lavanderos tonight mga ka-Asenso. No? Explosive shooting mga ka-Asenso para kay Ricky Donya. Now bola na kay Petro Suizo. 4 seconds on the shot clock. Ray Bolotaulo driving. Missing the layup. Na bola nakuha ni Indino to Ricky Donya. To Tantandonia. To Barcoma. But can't handle the ball. So a bola muadto sa Chiquis Triple J Monsters mga ka-Asenso. With 1 minute remaining sa tuwang second quarter. Na bola na kay Bertmar Silva. Bertmar Silva driving. Kick out to Ray Bolotaulo. Baseline jumper. And it's good mga ka-Asenso. No? Ray Bolotaulo with a field goal of 2/2. 2/4. 50% shooting percentage for tonight mga ka-Asenso para kay Sir Ray Bolotaulo. Now Barcoma for 3. No good. Bola nakuwag balik ni Ricky Donya. Ricky Donya driving through the baseline and nails a baseline jumper. Ricky Donya with an explosive shooting consistency tonight for Sandys Lavanderos mga ka-Asenso. And 5 seconds remaining the shot clock. Bertmar Silva driving. Layup is blocked. And there's a foul mga ka-Asenso. Unfortunately para sa Sandys Lavanderos, Bertmar Silva will go to the free throw line as we end our first half mga ka-Asenso. Silva shooting the first throw. Nails it. Silva with the second throw. Basket is good, mga ka-Asenso. And that was our first half, mga ka-Asenso, no? Atong score 36-49, 13-point lead by the Chiquis Triple J Monsters. And stay tuned mga ka-Asenso, mubalik ta para sa third quarter later on. So stay tuned.
We are the Chickies Triple G Monster. We fight, we achieve, we win. Let's go!
So we are currently here at halftime, and for our new viewers, this is the first game of the night, played between Sandy's Labanderos versus Chickies Triple J Monsters. The score after the second quarter is 36-49 in favor of the Chickies Triple J Monsters. Mga kasan, so makita nato nga sa first quarter palang daan, kusog na jud ang opensa sa Chickies Triple J Monsters, ending the first quarter on their advantage with 14-24. And on the second quarter, diri na miapas ang Sandy's Labanderos, making the game quite close, pero wa gyud sila tuguti sa Chickies Triple J Monsters as they have maintained a strong lead ever since in the beginning up until the end of the second quarter, ending it once again on their advantage. Now, will the Chickies Triple J Monsters maintain their lead or ilugon ba sa Sandy's Labanderos ang ilahang momentum? Dili pa jud angay mo kumpiyansa ang Triple J Monsters, kay daghan pa kaayog pwede mahitabo og atuan ng masayran on the second half of our game. But before that, please don't forget to like and subscribe our official Facebook page and our official YouTube channel, Ascenso Sports Channel. And of course, guys, we want to hear your thoughts, so comment to support your favorite team and for your favorite players. So guys, we will see you again later after the game, but for now, just stay tuned, enjoy the game, and we will be back once again. Once again, this is Clarissa Grace Guricho, and back to the game.
And now, welcome sa tong third quarter, mga ka-Asenso, no? Nagkainit yun, nagkainit. Ang atong first game for tonight between Chiquis Triple J Monsters versus Sandy's Labanderos. As Ababol nails that turnaround fade away, mga ka-Asenso. Now, Lasaka on the baseline, turnaround. Missing the jumper, but there's a foul, mga ka-Asenso. Martin Lasaka will go to the free throw line for 2 free throws, mga ka-Asenso. And now back to our ball game. Bola na sa Chiquis Triple J Monsters. Arniel Anggong tumakasling to Kervin Ovilio to Ray Bolotaulo. Now Ababol, kick out to Anggong. Arniel Anggong to Kervin Ovilio, cross-court pass and a three-pointer, no good. Offensive rebound by Ray Bolotaulo. And another offensive rebound by Arniel Anggong. Kervin Ovilio for 3. Can't find his range, mga ka-Asenso, no? Missing his second straight 3-point attempt. And there's a foul, mga ka-Asenso. Atong oras, 8 minutes and 27 seconds para sa atong third quarter, mga ka-Asenso. Ang bola karon na kay Tantan Donya, pass to Ricky Donya. Driving. Blocked by Ray Bolotaulo. Johnson Gingoyon. Ababol with the layup at may kasama pang foul, mga ka-Asenso. Ababol will go to the free throw line for the bonus throw, mga ka-Asenso, no? Richard Ababol. Shooting bonus throw, mga ka-Asenso. Basket para kay Richard Ababol, mga ka-Asenso. Nang bola na kay Tantan Donya para sa Sandy's Labanderos. Slicing the defense, crisscross, no good. Lasaka was there underneath the basket for the putback, mga ka-Asenso. Atong score, 39-54. Lamang pa rin ang Chiquis Triple J Monsters, mga ka-Asenso. Now, Gingoyon missing that layup. Richard Ababol with the putback at may foul na naman. So, Richard Ababol will go back for another bonus throw para sa Triple J Monsters, mga ka-Asenso. Richard Ababol shooting his bonus throw. Missing it this time. Rebound by Lasaka. Bola na kay Lasherda. Lasherda pass to Barcoma. Driving. Layup is good para kay John Mark Barcoma, mga ka-Asenso. Bola na kay Arniel Anggong. Arniel Anggong to Nino Macasling. Nino Macasling loses the grip. Ball stolen. Donya Brothers is on the run. Ricky Donya. Pass to Barcoma. To Lasherda. Lasherda for 3. No good. Na bola na kay Ray Bolotaulo from the baseline. Pass to Johansen Gingoyon. Gingoyon back to Ray Bolotaulo. 3-pointer, no good. Rebound by Lasaka, mga ka-Asenso, no? para sa Sandys Labanderos. Now, Tantan Donya missing the three-pointer. Rebound by Johnson Gingoyon. Gingoyon on the run. Pass to Anggong to Ray Bulutaulo for the reverse layup. Missing it. And now, bola na kay Ricky Donya. Ricky Donya to Lacerda. Lacerda with a fadeaway. No good. Bola na kay Ray Bulutaulo. To Ababol. Back to Bulutaulo. Bulutaulo with a baseline jumper. Can't make it, mga ka-Asenso. Bola na kay Barcoma. Pass to Sandys Labanderos. Too high. The pass is too high. Masyadong mataas, mga ka-Asenso. Ball will go back with Chiquis Triple J Monsters. Ang atong oras, 5 minutes and 41 seconds remaining para sa tong third quarter, mga ka-Asenso. And maayong gabi day sa itong mga live feed viewers, no, mga ka-Asenso. Please don't forget to hit that follow button para sa itong Asenso Sports Channel, mga ka-Asenso, no, who brings you the live coverage of our first Mayor Samico Asenso Business Cup. For tonight's double header, stand by and stay tuned. Later on para sa itong second game, Biohua Fishers versus AJL 62 Laborers. Meanwhile, back in the ball game, atong score 41-56, still in favor of Chiquis Triple J Monsters, mga ka-Asenso. Ang bola nasa Triple J Monsters. Nino Makasling with the ball. Pass to Johnson Gingoyon for the jumper. Can't make it. But the ball will remain with Triple J Monsters, mga ka-Asenso. Ray Bulutaulo to Arnel Anggong to Johnson Gingoyon to Richard Ababol. Missing it. Makasling with the putback. Still no good. Na ang bola na kay Tantan Donya. Now the Sandys Labanderos is on the run. Ball was deflected. Natapik ng Chiquis Triple J Monster. So ball will remain with Sandys Labanderos, mga ka-Asenso. Now, John Mark Barcoma for the inbound. And a miscommunication, mga ka-Asenso. But the ball will remain with Sandys Labanderos, of course. John Mark Barcoma to Tantan Donya. 14 seconds on the shot clock. Tantan Donya to Lasaka. Lasaka on the paint. Turnaround, no good. And there's a loose ball foul. Lasaka with a loose ball foul. And the ball will go back to Chiquis Triple J Monsters, mga ka-Asenso. It's too early to tell who's gonna prevail in this match, mga ka-Asenso, no? So stay tuned. Mainit ang laban. Now Ray Bulutaulo from the baseline. Kick out to Anggong. Anggong with the 18-footer. No good. Rebound by Ricky Donya. Now once again, Sandys Labanderos on the one. Transition offense. Canag layup is good, mga ka-Asenso. Jevic Canag nailing that layup off the fast break. Na bola na kay Ray Bulutaulo para sa low post. Bola na ito kay Gingoyon. Johnson Gingoyon. Turnaround. Kick out to Richard Ababol. Power move. Nails that lazy layup, mga ka-Asenso, no? Richard Ababol having a wonderful third quarter. Jevic Canag. Pass to Lasaka. Martin Lasaka missing it. Ball deflected and ball will remain with Chiquis Triple J Monsters, mga ka-Asenso. And now Ray Bolotaulo for 3 points, no good. And there's a timeout called by Coach Tamparong para sa Sandys Labanderos. Ang atong score, 43-58, still in favor of Chiquis Triple J Monsters. Ang atong oras remaining is 3 minutes and 27 seconds, mga ka-Asenso. And of course, we would like to acknowledge the presence of our EOC staff. Nakakaroon katanaw dito sa Pagadian City Gym, ang atong Emergency Operations Center headed by Madam Au Cabato. Maayong gabi nyo diha, ma'am. Maayong gabi nyo ya, mga ma'am ug sir. Now back in the ball game, Tantan Donya shooting free throws. Missing the second throw. Bola nakuha ni Kervin Ovilio. Now Arniel Anggong to Alcos. Arniel Anggong to Melvin Alcos. For 3. No good this time. Offensive rebound by Quico. Losing it. Ang bola na kay Tantan Donya. Now Indino. Reverse layup, no good, but there's a foul, mga ka-Asenso. So Indino will go for 2 free throws in the free throw line, mga ka-Asenso. Sam Indino. And there's a mandatory timeout called by the table, mga ka-Asenso, no? And we would like to acknowledge the presence, no, of our Barangay Council for Barangay Tuburan. Present sila karon watching sa tong live games. Nadre si Barangay Captain Orville Legaspi and wife Dailene Legaspi and Barangay SK Chairman Ivy Gallega. Aspirant Barangay Kagawad Tiban Soriano. Aspirant Barangay Kagawad Arvin Intong. And aspirant Barangay Kagawad Bet Pelago. Maayong gabi nyo diya, mga ma'am ug sir. And welcome sa tong first Mayor Samico Asenso Business Cup. Enjoy the games for tonight's doubleheader. And back in the ball game, atong oras, 2 minutes and 39 seconds remaining para sa tong third quarter. Atong score, 43-58 in favor of Chiquis Triple J Monsters, mga ka-Asenso, no? Nang bola na kay Tantan Donya. Tantan Donya to Indino. Indino slicing the defense. No good. Offensive rebound by Barcoma. And a turnover, mga ka-Asenso. Ball will go back to Chiquis Triple J Monsters. And Jomar Calago checks back in for the ball game. And Ricky Donya checks back in, both for Sandys Lavanderos, mga ka-asenso. Bola na kay Anggong, pass to Petro Suizo. Petro Suizo driving to the cutting Alcos, missing the jumper, but there's a foul committed by Magay, mga ka-asenso. So Melvin Alcos will go to the free throw line for 2 shots, mga ka-asenso. No? Atong oras, 2 minutes and 5 seconds remaining sa atong third quarter. Melvin Alcos nailing that first free throw. Second throw, no good. Rebound by Jomar Calago. Jomar Calago, pass to Ricky Doña. Ricky Doña on the move. Pass to Maagay. To Jomar Calago for 3. No good. Rebound by Petro Suizo. Pass to Anggong. Anggong. Arniel Anggong on the run. Loses the handle. Can't make the pass to Kervin Ovilio. So ball will go back with Sandys Lavanderos, mga ka-asenso. Now ang bola na kay Jomar Calago. Jomar Calago off the screen, driving, and there's a foul called against Arniel Anggong, mga ka-asenso. Ball possession will remain with the Sandys Lavanderos, mga ka-asenso. And now Leandro the Neon will check back in the game para sa Sandys Lavanderos as Bertmar Silva also checks back in para sa Chiquis Triple J Monsters, mga ka-asenso. No? Jomar Calago shooting his first free throw. Basket is good. Second throw, no good. Bola, nakuha ni Jomar Calago. Pass to Ricky Doña for 3. No good, mga ka-asenso. Way off the mark. Suddenly, nawala ang shooting hands ni Ricky Doña, mga ka-asenso. No? Now, Bertmar Silva to Suizo for 3. Missing it. Gathers his own offensive rebound and finds out about Kervin Ovilio underneath the basket for the layup, mga ka-asenso. Atong oras, 46 seconds remaining sa atong third quarter. Bola na kay Bertmar Silva. Chiquis on the run. Suizo for the layup. No good, but there's a foul. Suizo will go for 2 free throws in the free throw line, mga ka-asenso. With only 33 seconds remaining sa tuang third quarter, mga ka-asenso, no? Atong score, 44-61, still in favor of Chiquis Triple J Monsters. Petro Suizo missing the first throw. Suizo nails the second throw, mga ka-asenso. And there's a technical foul called against Chiquis Triple J Monsters for delaying the game. So the Neon will shoot the technical free throw, missing it. Now Calago with the ball para sa Sandys Lavanderos. Leandro the Neon on the drive. Blocked by Makasling. Bola na kay Suizo. Still 20 seconds remaining. Bertmar Silva for 3. Kablam! Bertmar Silva nailing the 3-point shot. Now Calago driving and slicing. Pass to the Neon. Pass to Calago. Calago with a reverse layup. No good, but there's a foul. Now Calago nailing the second throw. Mga ka-Asenso. And that was our third quarter, mga ka-Asenso, no? Sandys Labanderos trailing by 19 points against Chiquis Triple J Monsters, mga ka-Asenso. As we go to our fourth and final quarter, mga ka-Asenso. And maayong gabi diha, shout out sa tuwang live feed viewers karon, maayong gabi inyo diha. Salamat sa pagsuporta. Don't forget to hit the follow button para sa tong Asenso Sports Channel, who brings you the live coverage of our first Mayor Samico Asenso Business Cup. Yes, free admission. Atong month-long back in the fourth quarter. Barcoma loses the handle. And ang bola nato kay Kervin Ovilio. Kervin Ovilio with the jumper. No good. Now Gerald Alcantara for the putback, and the basket is good, mga ka-Asenso. Now bola na kay Lacerda. Lacerda to Barcoma for 3. No good. Bola na kay Bertmar Silva to Kervin Ovilio to Ray Bolotaulo. Ray Bolotaulo with a jumper, nailing it. And now the Chiquis Triple J Monsters are slowly getting away early in here in our fourth and final quarter, mga ka-Asenso. Bola na kay Lacerda for 3. No good. Rebound by J.R. Calago. Ricky Donya. And there's a shot clock violation na tinawag against Sandys Labanderos, mga ka-Asenso. Atong time remaining, 8 minutes and 33 seconds remaining para sa fourth and final quarter. Ray Bolotaulo with another jumper, this time missing it. Bola nakuha ni J.R. Calago. Pass to Barcoma. Pass to Ricky Donya. Ricky Donya for 3. Kablam! Na bola na kay Bertmar Silva. Pass to Gerald Alcantara. Kervin Ovilio to Ray Bolotaulo. Stolen by J.R. Calago. Ball recovered by Barcoma. Pass to Ricky Donya for another 3. Kablam! Back-to-back 3-point shot by Ricky Donya, mga ka-Asenso. Bola na kay Ray Bolotaulo. Ray Bolotaulo, jumper, no good, off the glass. Rebound by Ricky Donya. Pass to J.R. Calago, but there's a foul, mga ka-Asenso. The ball will remain with Sandys Labanderos, mga ka-Asenso, with only 7 minutes and 18 seconds remaining sa tong fourth and final quarter, mga ka-Asenso. At nabawasan ang kalamangan ng Chiquis Triple J Monsters, mga ka-Asenso, no? With Ricky Donias back-to-back 3-point shots made earlier, mga ka-Asenso. Now Lasaka on the drive. Jumper was no good. Gerald Alcantara. Now ball stolen by Ricky Donia. Ricky Donia. Pass to Lacerda. Lacerda for 3. No good. Rebound by Bert Marsilva to Kervin Obilio for the layup. Basket is good, mga ka-Asenso. Now J.R. Calago. Pass to Lacerda. To Indino. Indino slicing the defense. And there's a foul, mga ka-Asenso. Now, bola na kay Ricky Donia. Ricky Donia for 3. Missing it. And there's a loose ball foul called against Kervin Obilio, mga ka-Asenso, no? Ball will remain with the Sandys Labanderos. Sa atong oras, 6 minutes and 23 seconds. Now, Gingoyon checks back in for the ball game for Chiquis Triple J Monsters, mga ka-Asenso. Na bola na kay J.R. Calago. Pass to Lacerda. Lacerda no good. Rebound by Indino. Indino can't make the putback. And the ball will go to Chiquis Triple J Monsters, mga ka-Asenso. Bola na kay Bert Marsilva. Pass to Gingoyon. Johnson Gingoyon. Stolen by Ricky Donia. And there's a foul, mga ka-Asenso, no? Hand check foul called against Johansen Gingoyon. Bola will remain with Sandys Labanderos but stolen by Bert Marsilva. Now Gingoyon for the easy layup, mga ka-Asenso. And now another steal by Bert Marsilva, mga ka-Asenso. And Coach Tamparong tumawag ng timeout para sa Sandys Labanderos, mga ka-Asenso. Ating score, 52-73 in favor of Chiquis Triple J Monsters, mga ka-Asenso, no? Atong oras, 5 minutes and 24 seconds remaining para sa tong fourth and final quarter. Chiquis Triple J Monsters slowly getting away with this one with 21-point lead, mga ka-Asenso. And we will see for the remaining of our time if Sandys Labanderos can pull up and ease a fast, quick comeback, mga ka-Asenso. Na bola na kay Bert Marsilva. Bert Marsilva, paso Johansson Gingoyon. 2 underneath Ray Bulutalo but missing the putback. Now Jomar Calago to Lacerda to Calago. Calago driving to the basket. Ball stolen and a foul called against Jomar Calago, mga ka-Asenso. No, ball will go to Chiquis Triple J Monsters, mga ka-Asenso. With only 4 minutes and 51 seconds remaining sa tong fourth and final quarter. Now Ray Bulutalo on the high post. Fake. Dribbling away. And a 3-point attempt. Basket is good for Ray Bulutalo, mga ka-Asenso. Ray Bulutalo, no, showing us a good shooting for tonight, mga ka-Asenso. Now Magay with a jumper, no good. Rebound by Canag. Canag on the drive, no good. Ball will remain with the Sandys Labanderos with 8 seconds on the shot clock, mga ka-Asenso. Now Caburnay checks back in the ball game, mga ka-Asenso. Now Calago with a layup, no good. Bola nakuha ni Indino to Magay. Magay with a layup, basket with the foul, mga ka-Asenso. So Magay will go to the free throw line for the bonus throw, mga ka-Asenso. Magay's end one is good, mga ka-Asenso. With our time remaining 3 minutes and 49 seconds para sa tong fourth and final quarter. Bola na kay Caburnay. Silva, Bert Marsilva diving to Alcantara. Can't make the layup, mga ka-Asenso. Now Canag loses the grip, recovers, blocked by Gerald Alcantara. Lacerda to Inigo. Indino can't make it. Offensive rebound by Indino and there's a foul, mga ka-Asenso. Now Indino shooting the free throw line, mga ka-Asenso. Atong score 55-78 still in favor of Chiquis Triple J Monsters. Now rebound by Dayota. Bola na kay Gerald Alcantara to Caburnay, to Ray Bulutalo. Back to Caburnay. And tinawagan ng traveling violation, mga ka-Asenso. Ball will go back to Sandys Labanderos. Na bola na kay Canag. Ball stolen. Now Ray Bulutalo with the ball. Driving. And ball will remain with Chiquis Triple J Monsters, mga ka-Asenso. Now Jasness will go check back in the ball game para sa Chiquis Triple J Monsters, mga ka-Asenso. Caburnay for 3. Nails it. Now Jomar Calago. Pass to Lacerda. Lacerda on the paint. Layup is no good. Rebound by Jasnes. Pass to Ray Bolotaulo. Ray Bolotaulo with the jumper. Basket is good. Indino for 3. No good. Pass to Dayota. As we enter our last 2 minutes of the ball game, mga ka-Asenso, no? Atong score, 55-83. 27-point lead. 28-point lead, rather, by Chiquis Triple J Monsters, mga ka-Asenso. Now, there's another steal by Bertmar Silva. Sandys Labanderos barely hanging in for their life as we enter our final minute mark of our fourth and final quarter. 30-point lead para sa Chiquis Triple J Monsters. Ray Bolotaulo to Caburnay. Back to Ray for 3. No good this time. Bola nakuha ni Jomar Calago. With the reverse layup, no good. Now Caburnay for 3. Air ball. Jasnes. Offensive rebound. Blocked by Maagay. Now Indino for the easy layup, mga ka-Asenso. Now Dayota with the offensive rebound. And Caburnay nails another 3-point shot as the Sandys Labanderos will wind it down. So, ang final conclusion sa tong fourth and final quarter, Chiquis Triple J Monsters winning this game tonight against Sandys Labanderos. And as our game ends, we would like to send our shout-outs acknowledging the presence of our Barangay Council for Barangay Tuburan. Maayong gabi ninyo Barangay Captain Orville Legaspi and wife Ma'am Daylin Legaspi. And Barangay SK Chairman Ivy Gallega, Aspirant Barangay Kagawad Teban Soriano, Aspirant Barangay Kagawad Arvin Intong, Aspirant Barangay Kagawad Bet Pelago. Maayong gabi ninyo mga ma'am o sir.
welcome back sa first Mayor Samico Ascenso Business Cup second round, and of course we are done in our second half this evening. Chiquis Triple J Monster versus Sandy's Labanderos, and as you can see mga ka-Ascenso, nasa kong kilid karon ang ilahang player of the game, Sir Ray Bulutalo, the owner of Chiquis Pagadian. Sir, maayong gabi.
May gabi, Sad.
Sir, unsa man imuhang mabati as a player of the game sa Chiquis Triple J Monsters?
First of all, magpasalamat tayo sa ating Panginoong Hesus na binigyan tayo ng lakas at strength na makamit natin yung panalo namin. At pangalawa, yung nagpalaro dito, yung ating butihing Mayor Samico at sa yung anak niya si Lansco at sa lahat ng bumubuo dito sa palaro ito. Maraming salamat po.
And of course, sir, no, as a first round sa ato ang first Mayor Samico Business Cup, kamo ang naa sa top, which is the leaderboard. So unsa man ang inyong unsa man inyong na-feel as team owner o a player sa Chiquis Triple J Monsters?
Papasalamat din ako na yung team namin at pasalamat din ako na nagka-teamwork kami at nakamit namin yung top 1 na standing. At saka sa aming coach, sa buong mga player, at saka sa lahat nagsuporta sa Chiquis Triple G Monster.
And of course, Sir Ray, invite your friends, families, and the supporters of Chiquis Triple J Monsters.
Inanyahan ko po lahat yung lahat ng taga Pagadian City, lalong-lalo na rin yung taga probinsya ng Zamboanga del Sur at saka yung mga kalapit na lungsod. At sana huwag kayong mahiya na manood dito kasi wala namang bayad to. Pwede din kayo manood sa YouTube natin, Ascenso Sport Channel, at saka sa lahat na sumusuporta sa Chiquis Monster, Chiquis Triple J Monster. Maraming salamat. At saka yung asawa ko si Rosemary Bulutalo, si Chiqui Bulutalo, at saka buong sumusuporta. Maraming salamat po.
And of course, Sir Ray, no, gipabot gid sa production team and the whole of my technical teams here sa Ascenso Business Cup. Dako amuang pasalamat sa Chiquis Pizza nga imuang gihalad kagabi sa amo. Daghang kay salamat, sir, and of course kang Ma'am Rose Bulutalo and to all family of Chiquis Triple J Monsters. Daghang salamat, Sir Ray, and maayong gabi. And of course, mga ka-Ascenso, no, shout out to my Blush Spa and Aesthetic family, my Blush Spa Aesthetic family owned by Ate Isaac Himada. And of course, shout out to the JC Pads Disposable, owned by Ma'am Chrislyn Francisco. And of course, shout out to all organizers of Pagadian City. You are invited and encouraged to participate and be part of the bloodletting program on the 75th anniversary of the Philippine Red Cross this coming April 15, 2023 from 9 a.m. till afternoon at the City Covered Court Plaza Luz, Pagadian City. And of course, mga ka-Ascenso, shout out to barangay officials of Barangay Tuburan headed by its young and dynamic leader, Barangay Captain Orville Ligaspi, kauban ng iyang miyembro sa Barangay Council, Barangay Kagawad Florin Canyaleta, Barangay Kagawad Anselma Pancienza, Barangay Kagawad Shirani Kadundoy, Barangay Kagawad Noki Arao, Barangay SK Chairman Ivy Galiaga, Aspirant Barangay Kagawad Teban Soriano, Aspirant Barangay Kagawad Arvin Intong, Aspirant Barangay Kagawad Beth Yalago, and of course sa mga sports enthusiasts o taga-barangay Tuburan, let us support the sports development of the city and encourage our youth to engage in sports and help us make our city drug-free. Mga ka-Ascenso, sa pag-Ascenso, kasama ka. I'm Ruby Gabrines. Stay tuned, mga ka-Ascenso, because in a minute we will start our second game this evening. Viola Fishers versus AGL 62 Laborers. Maayong gabi ka na tong tanan.